Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 12th. Now I am going to start lecture number 3. And from here, re-enter Ariel. Act 5 is going on, students. Re-enter Ariel. After him, Alonso, with a frantic gesture, attended by Gonzalo. Sebastian and Antonio, in like manner, attended by Adrian and Francisco. They all enter the circle which Prospero had made, and there stand charmed, which Prospero, observing, speaks. Here re-enter Ariel, after him Alonso, making despairing gesture, despairing, hopelessness, full of hopelessness gesture, attended by Gonzalo. Then come Sebastian and Antonio, making similar gestures, means despairing gesture, attended by Adrian and Francisco. They all enter the circle which Prospero had made, and they stand spellbound. Prospero speaks when he sees them in such a state. He says, a solemn air and the best comforter to an unsettled fancy cure thy brains, now useless, boiled within thy skull. My solemn music, which is the remedy for healing a troubled mind, cure your brains. Cure your brains, now useless, boiled within the skull, that are now incapable of action. Cure your brains that are now incapable of action. For you are spell stopped. Holy Gonzalo, honorable man, mine eyes, even sociable to the show of thine, fall fellowly drops. He says, stand there. He orders to all to stand there, because you are affected by my magic. Good Gonzalo, honorable man, my eyes, out of human feelings, shed tears of sympathy. The charm dissolves apace, and as the morning steals upon the night, melting the darkness, so their rising senses begin to chase the ignorant fumes that mantle their clear reason. He says, the magic is losing its power. The magic is losing its power, and as morning replaces night, removing the darkness, so their awakened sensibility begins to remove the ignorance which clouds their reason. O good Gonzalo, my true preserver and a loyal sir, to him you followest. I will pay the graces home, both in word and deed. Most cruelly didst thou, Alonso, use me and my daughter. Thy brother was further in the act. Thou art pinched for now. He says, O good Gonzalo, you were the true preserver of my life. You have saved my life. You are loyal to your leader. I will ensure that you are repaid whatever good deed you did to me. I will ensure that you are repaid for your kindness, both in words and deeds. Both in words and deeds. Alonso, you treated my daughter and myself with utmost cruelty. You treated my daughter and myself with utmost cruelty. Your brother Sebastian was a collaborator in your act. You are punished for it now as a punishment. Thou art punished for now, Sebastian, flesh and blood. You, brother mine, that entertained ambition, expelled remorse and nature, who with Sebastian, whose inward pinches therefore are most strong, would have killed your king, I do forgive thee. Unnatural thought thou art. My flesh and my blood, you, brother of mine, entertained ambition and drove out the natural feeling of affection, of brotherhood, who with Sebastian, whose prick of conscience is most strong, would have killed your king. I forgive you, though you treated me against the basic dictates of nature. I forgive you, though you treated me against the basic dictates of nature. You have forgotten the fraternity, brotherhood, but I forgive you. Their understanding begins to swell, and the approaching tide will shortly fill the reasonable shore that now lies foul and muddy. Not one of them that yet looks on me or would know me. Ariel, fetch me the hat and rapier in myself. Their minds are now beginning to regain their powers. Their minds are now beginning to regain their powers. The rising tide of their senses, which is at the moment clouded and unable to function, will soon bring back their power to reason. But not one of them as yet looks at me with recognition. Ariel, fetch my hat and sword from my cell. Exit Ariel. I will discase me and myself present as I was something Milan. Quickly, spirit, thou shalt ere long be free. He says, I will remove this robe, cloak, and present myself as my former self, Duke of Milan. Hurry up, spirit, hurry up, Ariel, for you shall be free before long. Here re-enter Ariel, who sings while helping to attire Prospero. Re-enter Ariel, who sings while helping to attire Prospero. He sings, where the bee sucks, there suck I, in a cowslip's bell I lie, there I couch when owls do cry, on the bat's back I do fly, after summer merrily, merrily, merrily shall I live now under the blossom that hangs on the bough. Where bees suck honey, there I suck too. In the cowslip flower, a low growing plant, cowslip flower, I make my bed, there I hide. When the owls hoot, on the back of a bat I fly, merrily in pursuit of summer. I shall live merrily now under the shade of flowers that hang on the branch. He sings, Ariel sings, as he thinks that he will be free soon. He is going to be free soon. And what happens after this? There is the speech of Prospero. You will study in the next video. Thank you so much, students.